Hello everyone, and here I am with another DVD unboxing, and this one is one of my favorite Nickelodeon Nicktoons that there are, which is all of Ren Stimpy, first and second seasons 3.5-ish, and seasons 5 and some more 4, and this of which makes the complete series. But yeah, and of course this one uncut, but in a few Amazon reviews, very few are uncut, but yeah. So take a look at each one of them individually. So here's first and second seasons, the front of it, and here's the side. Released by Paramount, and here's the back with Mr. Horse there, description of everything, the uncut episode, unedited episodes, pause if you want to read, and the bonus features. There's in 91 to 93, 418 minutes, and yeah. There's the other side with the slim cases there, and yeah. Now let's go ahead and open this up. Yeah, and I slip it out. Here's these 3 slim DVD cases with each disc in them, each with their unique artwork. And flip on the backs, and there's a little episode guide list, whatever. As I open each one, so here's disc 1, small right interior artwork, disc 2, and finally disc 3. So yeah, let me get these back. Yeah, there we go. And now to the second volume, which is seasons 3.5-ish. It's kind of similar to the first one, but what do? There's the spine and the back. Also listed special features and whatnot. And yeah. And now I just open this up. This one. Oh, and there is an insert with this. It's advertising the first one. Then, coming soon, look for more of Ren Stimpy on DVD. Yeah, which is this one. So it's kind of an insert, but whatever. So, the 3 slim cases. Because once again, here's disc 1, disc 1, and then disc 2, disc 2, and lastly, disc 3. Oops. Little piece of the tap broken, but whatever. It'll still work. But yeah. And lastly is seasons 5 and some more 4. And front artwork, kind of similar to the other 2, but what do? And there's the side of it, and the back. The same, but with Money Mudskipper there, and got a few bonus features, description of everything, and yeah. open this up and finish everything off. The 3 slim cases, and with a couple more different choices of characters. As disc 1 with Mr. Horse on it. There's the episode list. Then disc 2, which has Powdered Toast Man on it. Also episode list. And lastly, disc 3. And Stimpy again, and everything, all the an episode list on it. And then the discs themselves. Disc 1, disc 2, and disc 3. And yeah. And that is about it with this video. And so like $15 for each one of these. Alright price. But I'd highly recommend this to any Ren Stimpy fan out there. But do know there's also the Lost Episodes DVD release out. But probably not bother with that one. But if you're interested, well, go ahead. But if you're a large fan of Ren Stimpy, then and you want to get the whole series on DVD, then go ahead and pick up all these sets. And that is it with this video, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.